How to set up your Shopify payments here on your Shopify online store. For this, click on the login option here on the Shopify and open your Shopify application with the email you have already registered. Whenever you will open any application of Shopify or you will open it on your browser, you will see the home page just like this in front of you. What we will have to do is simply click on the setting option on the bottom left corner of the screen, and in this left menu there is an option of payment here, so click on this and scroll down. As you can see, there is a list of supported payment method. You can activate your PayPal, you can add any of the payment method you have and you're comfortable with. You can search it and you can simply add it to your Shopify store here in front of you. So this is all about the video, how you can do it. Thank you so much for watching it, and please subscribe to the channel for watching such updates, reviews and smart videos like this. Keep watching, keep loving.